Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing and full overview of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. What I have here is the brand new one in the silver color. So let's start with the box first. Not much going on, there's a little bit of info on the back. Let's just start unboxing this and seeing what comes inside, and also of course how this tablet looks. So let's peel off the stickers here. We have one on each side. There we go. And let's open it. All right, let's put that on the side. Here we go. We have the tablet right on top. Let's put it on the side just for now so we can check what else comes inside. We have this little... So right on top we have USB-C to USB-C cable. Then we have the quick start guide, and we also have a little pin to eject the SD card, because this one has, of course, the SD card expansion. Let's put that on the side. All right, next, let's check the tablet itself. It does have this cloth sleeve. All right, here we go. This is 11-inch tablet. So on the bottom we have the pins for the accessories. Then we have the SD card expansion. And then on the corner we also have 3.5mm headphone jack, a couple speakers on this side, USB-C for charging. And then on this side we have the microphone, power lock button, volume rockers here. And then on this side, we have a couple more speaker holes. Now, from the description, it does say it has those speakers, so one on each side. But as I'm looking at it, it would appear that it has two speakers on each side. Now, I'm not sure if the other hole is just for decoration, but as I said, from the specs, it says it has dual speakers. So not sure what's going on. But here we go with the back. It does have this beautiful two-tone silver. Absolutely love the design. Of course, we have the camera and the Samsung logo. Now, I also do have another one, which is in the graphite color. So let me see if I can put both of these kind of like side to side so you guys get the idea. And here is also side to side, which of course is the different color as well, but the front will remain the same. All right, next, let's go over the specs real fast. What I'm going to be using here is the one in the graphite, which I've been using for the last few months. Absolutely love it. Decided to get another one. When it comes to that display, it has 11-inch, 1920 x 1200 pixels. This is TFT display, which is a little bit different than the IPS. When it comes to the performance, it comes with the Snapdragon 695 CPU, which is octa-core processor. Now, when it comes to the RAM, there's a big difference between 64 gigabytes and 128 gigabytes of storage. So it comes with two storage options, two RAM options. So if you go with the lower 64 gigabyte storage, you will be receiving 4 gigabytes of RAM. But if you upgrade to the 128 gigabytes of storage, you will be receiving 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that's definitely the option I would recommend, because going from 4 gigabytes of RAM to 8 gigabytes of RAM, it's a big boost in performance, and it definitely makes this tablet very future-proof. Now, when it comes to the cameras, it does have 80 megapixel on the back, 5 megapixel on the front. Both of the cameras will do the video at 1080p, 30 FPS. Now, these cameras aren't going to compete with any of the phones, but if you do need to take a picture of video in a pinch, you can definitely do that. Also, the cameras are pretty good for video chats as well. Now, when it comes to the battery, it does come with 7,000 milliamp battery, which gave me around, I would say, close to 10 hours of battery life, depending what I'm doing. So you can expect anywhere between 8 to 11 hours. 8 if you're doing mostly gaming and video watching, and 11 if you're doing kind of browsing, a little bit of gaming, a little bit of video watching, a little bit of music listening. So I would say the average would be around 10 hours of mixed use. Overall, been using this tablet for the last few months. I love it so much that I decided to get another one in the different color. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.